Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to unsubscribe from Angies list emails in 2025. If you're tired of those constant emails cluttering your inbox, you're in the right place. Unsubscribing is a simple way to regain control of your digital life, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, why bother unsubscribing? Well, in 2025, with stricter email regulations and smarter inboxes, keeping your subscriptions in check helps avoid spam filters and keeps your email organized. Plus, it's just good for your peace of mind. The process is straightforward, but it might vary slightly based on how you signed up, so we'll cover the most common methods. Method 1. Using the email itself. Open the Angies list email you received. At the bottom or top, look for an unsubscribe link. It's usually in small print. Click on that link, and it will take you to a page where you can confirm your unsubscription. Follow the prompts, enter any required info like your email address, and hit submit. Boom, you're done. If that doesn't work, try method 2, through the Angies list website. Head over to angieslist.com and log in to your account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Profile, section. Look for something like Email Preferences or Notifications. There, you'll find an option to manage your subscriptions. Uncheck the boxes for emails you don't want, save your changes, and that should stop the flood. One more thing. If you're using the Angies List app, go to the Settings menu within the app and look for subscription options. Always double-check your email's spam folder for any confirmation messages, as some services require you to verify the unsubscribe request. A quick tip for 2025. With new privacy laws, you might need to update your preferences more frequently, so make this a habit. And if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact Angies List support, they're usually helpful. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to unsubscribe from Angies List emails and keep your inbox spam-free. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay organized.